Hello, welcome back to Story Chronicles. In this video, we will learn about the IP command in Linux, one of the most important networking tools. The IP command is part of the IP road to package, and it is used to manage and configure network settings in Linux systems. It replaces the older networking utilities such as ifconfig, route, and ERP. With the IP command, we can easily view network interfaces, configure IP addresses, manage routing tables, monitor network statistics, troubleshooting networking problems. Another important advantage is that it supports both IPv4 and IPv6 networking. So the general syntax of IP command is IP options object command or help, where options additional parameter to change how the command behaves. Object, the network component you want to work with, such as address, link, route, or neighbor. This is our objects. Command, the action you want to perform. Let's bring some example. For example, IP address. This command displays IP information about all network interface. Here you can see LO. This is loopback interface. The loopback interface is used for internal communication inside the system. Loopback. This interface is loopback. It is up. The interface is enabled and operational. Lower up. The physical interface is working. MTU. MTU stands for maximum transmission unit, which defines the maximum packet size. INET. This is the loopback IP address 127.0.0.1, always refer to local machine. INET v6. This is the IPv6 loopback address. Second interface output. This is the main interface. This is the primary network interface of the system. Broadcast. The interface support broadcast communication here. Broadcast. Multicast. The interface support multicast traffic. MTU. This is MTU size. The link addr. This is MAC address of our physical network interface. And its broadcast address. So this is our Ethernet cable interface. Also, I have wireless interface. VLP0S20F3 support broadcast, multicast, physical. It physically working, and app. The interface status is app. MTU size. Link Ether type, the MAC address of physical interface. Broadcast IP address. The IP configuration, IP address of interface. Broadcast IP address. Scope global dynamic. So the IP address was dynamically assigned via DHCP. One of the most common command is IP addr show. This command displays detailed information about all network interfaces on the system. The typical output include interface names such as VLP0S, EMP4S0, loopback. The typical output include MAC addresses, IPv4 addresses, IPv6 addresses, subnet mask, interface status. This is often the first command administrators run when troubleshooting network issues. Before testing commands like up-down or routing, it's best to create virtual interface to allow testing without breaking your real network. Let's create dummy interface. Sudo IP link add dummy 0 type dummy. Enter. To verify, run IP link show dummy. Enter. Dummy 0. This is our virtually created IP address. Let's assign IP address to test interface. Sudo IP addr add 19.10.0.0.10 subnet mask 24 device dummy 0. Enter. IP link show dummy 0 or a IP address. And you can see from here dummy 0 interface and assigned IP address. Now we have a safe interface for experiments. So bringing interface add sudo IP link set dummy 0 up. Enter. Let's check IP link show dummy 0. Dummy 0. So interface is now in app state. It means the interface is enabled and ready to send traffic. How to bringing interface down? Sudo IP link set dummy 0 down. Enter. Let's check. And we see dummy interface is now down. To see the routing table, you can run IP route command. Example output. So default route via this IP address, default gateway used for internet traffic. So this is the gateway IP address. Dev VLP 0S20F3 traffic goes to this interface. Proto DHCP, this route was automatically assigned by DHCP, not manually configured. Source, this is SRC and this IP address. The source IP address your system will use when sending packets through this route. And the metric 600. The priority of the route, lower metrics are preferred. If multiple default routes exist, the system chooses the one with the lowest metric. Let's adding some route for test. Sudo IP route add 10 10 10 10 24 via 192.168 50.24 device dummy 0. Enter. So why? Let's check. So our dummy 0 interface using IP addresses from this range. So from here something wrong. I will check. First, let's bring our interface to up. Sudo IP link set dummy 0 up. Enter. Let's verify IP addr show dummy 0. So interface is now in up state. And let's add some route. Sudo IP route add 10 10 10 10 24 via 10 0 0 1 and using dev dummy 0 interface. Why this is wrong? Sorry, I made mistake here. I need to correct this one. 0. Oh yeah, that's work. So now let's verify route IP route. Enter. And we see route added here. So to reach this network, we should go through dev dummy 0 interface using next hop this IP address. How you can delete route? You can use sudo IP route delete 10 10 10 0 24. Enter. Let's verify IP route. And we see that route was deleted. To see network devices connected to neighbor, you can run IP neighbor command. This command shows our table which map IP addresses to MAC addresses. Reachable means device is reachable and active. Stale, the device is reachable. The devices exist but not mere reachable. Also, you can see delay. The system is verifying the device status. How you can delete the ARP entry? You can delete by running IP neighbor del delete, for example, 192.168.0. For example, this IP address. device, and you can run device name. For example, devdem entry neighbor. You can run it via sudo. This is at this moment give our error because at this moment we don't have any IP addresses in our network. We don't have ARP entry for these IP addresses. This is just example. I don't want to run it in my actual devices. How you can add ARP entry? You can add IP neighbor add 192.168.0.200 device dummy 0. Enter. Sudo. Let's check IP neighbor, and we see device added here. So now let's delete it. Sudo IP neighbor delete and this device, enter it, and now it is working. The IP command is one of the most powerful networking tools in Linux. It allows administrators to view network interfaces, configure IP addresses, manage routing tables, monitor network traffic, troubleshoot network connectivity issues. Learning the IP command is essential for anyone working in Linux administration, DevOps engineering, cloud infrastructure, and networking. So that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. Thank you.